Dear students, welcome to Healthcare Engineering YouTube channel. We are sharing many innovative project ideas for the biomedical engineering students in this video series. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel to stay tuned with us to get more and more project concepts. If you find some interesting project ideas and want to do that as your project, our engineering team is ready to support to your entire project. Please contact us for further details to this given mail ID below. We are very active in these social media platforms. Please join with us to keep in touch with us and to get all our amazing updates instantly. All the links are given in the description below. We are releasing this kind of project idea video every Friday. So stay tuned with us. Today's video is about modern pulse oximeter. In recent years, there have been many investigations into sleeping disorders. Many studies are carried out in specially equipped units in which a patient is monitored while sleeping. Measurements that are taken in the form of ECG, EMG, EEG, nasal airflow, and abdominal movements. Pulse oximetry data is also recorded during the night. Pulse oximetry is the measurement of pulse rate and oxygen saturation of blood. Along with other measurements, pulse oximetry data is used in the diagnosis of sleeping disorders. Recent studies have shown that diagnosis of sleeping disorders is better studied to a location familiar rather than a hospital situation. Amongst others, this is one of the many reasons that remote monitoring of medical equipment such as the pulse oximeter is a forward step in sleep medicine. In building and this kind of oximeters, a door is open on the possibility of remote monitoring via the internet. This solution needs to be inexpensive relative to the cost of a pulse oximeter, and the system needs to be robust as it will be portable. Ease of use is yet another major factor when designing such a system. Simplifying the operation of the device allows for less technical operators to adequately use the equipment to full potential. The proposed system named Oximeter Internet Interface or OII is a web server connected via a serial interface to a pulse oximeter. The Oxinet is able to serve pulse and SpO2 data as well as trend information to the internet. The medical staff can download trend data and view real-time streaming data from any web browsers. This is accomplished through the language of internet, HTML and Java applets. The design of an internet-based solution can be broken down into two major components, these being the server side and the client side. The server side includes the control and data acquisition from the pulse oximeter and serving this information up to the internet. The client side includes the retrieval of information from the internet and displaying that information in a human readable form. So, if you feel this video is informative, please give us a like and kindly share it with your friends who may also get some useful ideas. Also leave us some comments about your opinions on these videos. Thank you.